Ever blessed travelers, welcome. Welcome to my channel. Today, my people, I'm in St. Mary. And my people, we are at Cash River. See? So my people, as I promised, that I'll be taking you places. So this is a new parish, new adventure, and Ever Blessed Travels is taking you. So my people, today is gonna be a wonderful day, I expect. Expect to link up with a couple of YouTubers, and Ever Blessed will be waiting patiently to introduce you them to my camera, to my channel, one by one. Stay tuned as I introduce them to you. In the meantime, the beauty of this river here, clean water. St. Mary, Jamaica. This is it. Beautiful place. People having fun up there. Stay tuned, my people, as we take on this adventure here. No, you should go inside of the tube. You should go inside of the tube. You should go inside of the tire. Put your body inside. Yeah. Stand up and go put your body to.
If you want to get up there, you have to hold on to the rope.
Hold on to up top, yes. Swing up yourself. You want to be in there? Ever Blessed travel. Ever Blessed travel. Up. All right. Swing on up. Swing on. Swing on. All right. They must have your back. Anyone put you in there and take your back.
Slide on! Slide on!
Somebody else help. smart swing now. You like it, bro? Rough her up there. Rough her up. Why you looking down there? You enjoy yourself there? Have a blessed time. Have a blessed time. Eh? Definitely will. You see yourself smiling. Rough her up, rough her up, rough her up.
And it have the reef coming down, yeah?
Just hold on for this and tell me. Yeah. Take your time, princess. The rattles are. I wonder if it's the same person, same ones that passed earlier on.
Let this soft mineral melt in your mouth. You never need a dentist. Did you know teeth and gums that only 3% of the population need?
Whoa! Oh, they have rafting here. Hey, hold on to her, hold on to her. Oh, these are like a storm there. We are rafting there.
Something like
Hey! Hey! Nice, that was nice. Princess, pick up yourself. That is it. Enjoy your ride. Something looks cool. I get hungry now. The place is getting crowded. Inside. You have to swing yourself up, sweetie. You have to hold on to up, pick up and swing. Hold on up there, swing yourself up while they push you. Yeah, swing yourself up. Okay, help her.
No, come. Why are you
Get touch with the
Inside. We're rafting you guys. Beauty. Hey! Hey!
All right.
Hey! Catch him over, catch him over. Rafting at his best. Wow. Yeah, rough her up, then make me see. Rough her up, make me see. Hold on to her, don't make it down. Hold on to her, hold on to her. Oh, you mean, me know that she like it rough. Yeah, man. But all you do, man, she lick her down. Now you lick her down, lick her down. Hey.
Guys, subscribe to Ever Blessed Travels.
That is it.
What's
Ever Blessed Travels.
Ever blessed travel.
Yeah, ever blessed
Ever
child.
blessed travel, yeah.
Big up yourself.
Big up, big up, big up.
See you there. The riverside I get festive, my people. Riverside I get festive. Yeah, sure. How should I go on from afar? Hey. Active. Fully active today. Sunrise boss.
Fully active, you know.
Hey!
I really like
Yes, man. Sunrise boss, my people.
Yeah, man, there, man.
The people are surprised that me not tell them about, you know.
Yeah.
Sunrise boss.
There, man.
Do your thing, G. It's a pleasure to
man.
see you in a real life. That is it, you see.
Better with everything active.
Yeah, man.
You know me there.
Yeah,
I
man.
get everything active me there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we soon talk again.
Yeah.
My people. So my people, that is Sunrise boss in a real life. So my people, I saw it thing come down. So the Sunrise boss and the team roll out. You can see the team roll out, my people. And we are go. Them are go run pat my people. And as a foodie, ever blessed I go eat food. And if you think a joke, ask God. So my people, this is one of my dreams. And I know with hard work and the determination, it's gonna be a reality one day. And who said that? Ever Blessed Travel say, soon and very soon. Yeah, man, soon and very soon we're gonna have that on the table. But this one belongs to Sunrise Boss. And Sunrise Boss now the lay down in bed and get that to my people. In work hard. Yeah. Yes, in work hard. And who is working hard? Ever Blessed is working hard with the intention to receive one of those. My people, I'm gonna be depending on you. Yes. Ever Blessed is gonna depend on you, my people, too. Help me get there. Yeah, man. Let this dream come true. So we're showing it through. My people, Sunrise Boss, I get some fire active, you know. Him and him team there, and lick more some music I go lick.
Wow, no. So you not trying, nobody not catch me.
And the people. You know, there's some more fry them or them more jerk them or them I go curry them, but them I go cook.
So in our kitchen, I have Percy, I have, you know, yeah, man. Uptown, I have over there, so you know, I DJ that DJ Sugar. Yeah, man, in a real life. And over here, so you know, is a subscriber forward from where Spanish Town. Big up yourself.
Subscribe on YouTube.
And a YouTuber
you
also.
See,
yeah,
I'm have something to reveal.
Sunrise, but yeah, what going on now? Type in 1 cent, don't see them YouTube. Subscribe to the song and like and share. Ta-da.
Yeah, man. So you say,
me have yes, man. I'm gonna tell you this. For all the years then when me watch the IFA,
yeah.
me I go reveal to you say you are one of my motivators, one of my inspirator. And for all the years when I watch you, me couldn't do better. Me have to do YouTube. So my people, I go by the name Ever Blessed Travelers. I do travel vlogs. I travel, showcase beautiful things and places, and I'm gonna be asked a few more people to like, share, and subscribe to my page.
Yes, please run over and do the right thing.
I'm still have to tell them about the silver plaque you have down there, so
okay,
me need them to help me get it.
Yeah, right. and at the same time, you have to help yourself get it.
Me, bro, I'm not gonna lie no bed. Yesterday I hear you say people who lie in the bed for 24 hours and waste of time while you working. Different things. I meditate what you say, me, I tell you that speak some reality for your life yesterday. Stop laying down in your bed and expect to get it. It's not going to come.
No, nobody do it for you, no matter the promise. They promise you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So in a real life,
in a
real life, Sunrise Boss, live and direct, my people.
Yeah, man.
So I'm going to be asking a few my people to like, share, and subscribe to Sunrise Boss.
Yeah, man. Don't know Jamaica Sunrise TV.
Yeah.
In a real life. That's how we do the family out there cooking and just be real.
Yes.
That is me.
Yes. And because you're so real, I celebrate the birthday with the children.
Alright. Fully active.
Fully active themselves.
Yeah, man.
Some people we're gonna move around and we're gonna show you all of the things them where I go on. So you think from them. Yeah. I'm gonna show you again, my people. Him that lie down in bed and that come visit him. Work hard. That is it. Sammy G, big up yourself. Certain come down. Cash flow river, my people. Nice settings. People just come out and enjoy themselves in the river here. Nice river. Very nice river. But I encourage anyone to visit this place. This place is in St. Mary, close to the border of St. Anne and St. Mary. Yeah, that's why I think everyone inside and enjoy themselves. See that, my people? Alright. How to do rafting? Nice place to do rafting, huh? Beautiful place. Very beautiful place. And Ever Bless is here to enjoy himself today to the fullest. So I just introduced you, my people, to Sunrise Boss, and I'm also anticipating a lot more YouTubers to be here. So we're gonna say happy birthday, Sunrise Boss. Jamaica Sunrise Boss.
No Percy today. Percy busy.
The Sunrise Boss, I have fun for the merch from the people. So yeah, name G? So where are you?
DJ Chigga. One DJ Chigga, you understand?
Yes.
One DJ Chigga. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, every platform you can hook me up on, you understand?
Yeah.
One DJ Chigga.
Ever Blessed Travels.
Big up yourself, Ever Blessed. And do the good work, said you hear that?
Non-stop.
Like that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So my people, they might catch up fire. I catch up fire, them know my people. And me now can't tell you where they put on that, you know. But me know say I want pot to go on it and food to cook. Alright. That's how the thing come down. So we walk out to the place. Place just nice. My people. Cool. You hardly get the portion of sunshine in this area because there's a lot of trees. A lot of trees is here. A lot of trees. And early hours, so we're expecting a lot of YouTubers to roll in and give Sunrise Boss the full support. So my people, I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait to be here. Let me just stop talk for a while, my people, and you listen to the birds. Can you hear the birds, my people? And I didn't know. I was wondering if they're rafting up the river. I see the raft. They just passed a while ago? Rafting just passed? I see them that way. I was wondering, there's a river going that way? Hey? Oh, you don't know? You're not from here? He's not from here. So he doesn't know. So I think come down. I mind telling me the lady I look for Everblessed Travels, you know.
No, I'm not good with people. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Hi. How you doing today?
Good.
All right, good.
Emma Bless. Emma Bless.
Travels.
Through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect. I can't even work. Through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further.
Thank you so much.
right.
So you guys are from
Hanover.
Hanover. And,
Yeah.
and you're tuning in with Everblessed Travels.
Yeah.
So I'm from St. Catherine,
Okay.
and I traveled the journey to be here too. It was nice to have you guys. I see you guys have a lot of fun. The water is nice.
The water is cold, but it was alright.
Me grudge you if I'm not going there. I didn't come with my gears on.
Why didn't you?
Because I planned to vlog the whole
Hence the reason why you should have.
for travel so far.
Listen, if you had traveled from St. Thomas, it's a long
St.
travel.
Catherine, yes.
So it would be like 3 or 5 hours to get here. Why
Yeah.
wouldn't you not?
Because I just come to link up with other YouTubers and vloggers.
No. But even if you had other YouTubers, then you should have actually enjoyed the water for yourself.
Me have poor excuse. As far as obviously you back me up, I have poor excuse. The next time around, I'm gonna make sure. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe to Ever Blessed Families. I appreciate you guys. Right. Yeah. You all have fun here?
Nice. Was it nice though?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
Appreciate you guys.
You're welcome.
Peace out.
Alright, have a wonderful day.
That is it. Some people just had fun with those ladies. The ladies were cool. They said they're all the way from Hanover. They come to get shower in this river. I never best come and walk with her. Not prepare for the water. I never had a river. When I went to visit Ken Village, I have a knapsack on my back. I always have my water shoes in there and an extra shots. Sunrise was.
Yes, man.
Daddy.
Well, if I respect man, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
been watching there for years, my baby.
Yes, man.
And as me that tell you before, off camera, that they appreciate the way you stand up with your son. I wonder what person ever blessed stand against with his children.
Well,
you said them some. You said them some.
Tell us in the on the same track, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I give them the history of me. Said no father, and you know, I change the cycle, and you know, them sisters, them make me live here now. So when if you read them, I say,
read it, man.
When me even a build for me, I said, me nah just build this for you, you know. Me build it. That's when you gone, you them, and you know.
That's how it, you know.
Yes, because we have to give them good encouragement, you know, man. So you don't know,
some people.
Forward.
Sunrise boss.
Man.
Father.
Right.
Yeah, man. Some people. When you see Sunrise, Jamaica Sunrise boss, I works hard. See, man, you set the trend for me.
Yes, man.
Appreciate you, my brother.
Because you know all the trade work.
Yeah, man.
Because I teach them.
Yeah, man.
Them get that done. I teach them it.
I'm a people. No showing us something. Pan top and hot inside. One love.
Yes, man. One love. That's right.
That's something still.
Yes, man.
That's something still. I appreciate you, my
brother.
So, just like I'm watching Sunrise boss, that's something watch.
And all of the people who can talk like you.
Yeah.
A whole heap of respect
yeah,
for
man.
my family.
Yeah, man.
And if you read them,
man.
From the heart.
Yeah, man.
Rastafari.
Stand up with your sons here.
Just I go check for my car. I'm not left my car too.
You think you're easy. Pick up yourself, maybe. All right, the people. There you have it. Sunrise father. Jamaica Sunrise boss. General. You stand up with him son. Ever blessed travelers who have to stand up with him son here, man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, my one son. We are going to be going places. And we are doing it because we want everybody to see it. And if you think we're not going to do it, anyone who have any doubt that we're going to be doing it, it's just a matter of time. My people, we are here to celebrate with Jamaica Sunrise Boss. Yeah, man. And the river look good. The chef is fully active, my people. Ever. Corner road. Long time I don't see something like that. Yo, me. You've been doing it for a while. It's time for you to rest now.
Yo, Jigga!
You're doing the boss, the honors.
Yeah, man, I do one upload of the birthday, you know?
Yeah.
You can go over, go subscribe, you know? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, hear that, you're outside. You can go look on my page, yeah?
Yeah.
Anna, respect. Yeah, man, original black crab.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah, man, well, nice, you know? Then this guy, I'm only little.
Yeah, man.
Wicked man.
You said that was small? Too small?
Hey, I crab is not too small.
Okay.
And focus smart.
Yeah.
Well, the boy. If you put your koya in now, but it's not put your hand in there. Koya.
No, no accolade. No accolade. No accolade. No accolade. No accolade. No accolade, Bobby. I'm mine and let go. No, let go climb up.
Oh, yeah. Hold on to it.
Hold on.
One sunrise pass. That's original, no? She ain't there. Man say my celebration birthday in a style. In life. See, in a real life.
When the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like I never thought I'd find it.
Mr. Chef. Conker, we call it octopus. Conker octopus with boiled corn and whole heap of tin piece. Right now, I drink a cup. You mad? Uptown, I want to go and I pack this up.
Yourself a shout out, my G.
Alright,
yeah, man. Let's travel.
Yeah, man. Respect, you know. Look be TV. Yeah, man, you can check out the channel. So like we say, you can subscribe, you know. Yeah, man. And so what ever bless channels.
One little bit.
Yeah, man. One little bit.
Yeah, man. So where chef say again? The chef simmer down rice. What you say is code? Tell me what is code.
Code? Things where you do right, when you do something right,
yeah.
Code, yes.
You call that code? Yeah. What you call code?
Code are anything you do right, man. Just do the right thing, you know?
Hold on a little bit, hold on a little bit.
And you do the right thing, and that's a code.
The people?
Yeah.
Sunrise boss.
Yeah, man, soup mad.
Earth strong. Pepper bone me up my G. So many people may have my soup. But me a pepper man, I like when pepper in a soup. So how we heard strong come on so far?
Yeah, man, you don't know if you wake up and you're strong, that means you have life.
Give me a minute. Oh.
Give me a minute. Yeah, you don't know, you're earth strong, so you wake up and you find out so you have to give Father God thanks. Whether you have money or you don't have no money, you have to give thanks. As if you wake up and you can jump, you can run, you can move around, that's the greatest thing in a real life. Just do the right thing, subscribe to the Boss channel and spread the glory to the outside.
Ever bless, Sabris. Yeah, man. Sunrise boss. The people are going to ask. You know, so I spread respect to people. I want to say unity is strength.
Yeah, man, make you select target and soup.
Yeah, man. Subscribe to the channel, my people. Jamaica Sunrise boss, Steve.
Yeah, Jamaica Sunrise, Steve.
Jamaica Sunrise, Steve. You look for the bar?
Yeah.
Alright.
They want to go short meat and like the Sunrise boss.
Alright.
But if you type in the Sunrise boss, you still find the channel.
That is it, my people.
Yo, that never lasts for you type in Sunrise boss.
What you say never last?
Never last.
Alright. That's how it thing come down. So my people. Never bless checking in on the river. And we are walk around and we are enjoy ourselves. Yeah, man. One sunrise. Yeah, man. Selector, respect. Give yourself a shout out to me, please.
Big up yourself in a peeps. You understand? One DJ she go again, you understand? Every platform, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, every platform, Spotify, anywhere you want to find me, you can find us. You understand? Big up my general, we have like this, the same way.
Yeah, ever blessed travels. Ever blessed travels.
Ever bless. Big up yourself.
See that.
You understand? And big up everybody with tuning in, you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, man, enough love and love alone. You see, we're up on the riverside, I'm going to enjoy yourself. No? Big up on yourself and big up ever bless. You understand?
Rich is right. That's a code. So my people, you know, hear the matter. So little be say, I'm a YouTuber.
That is it, you know?
And my people, and everybody knows that I don't talk so soft.
Yeah,
I want loud man. Jack of all trade.
Yeah, man,
so you're
fishing and do construction, you know?
I saw you going.
Yeah.
And you cook food. What you mean?
So, yard, man, you can cook in.
So you never know, say ever best to come if you walk with one baruka work, but one barracuda were long.
Next time, man, I to see
kind of rough.
Yeah.
All right, next month we are come to you again.
Yeah, man, that.
All right.
One soup.
So which one of them man are artists and want a big up? Ever blessed travels.
See dog, yeah, man.
Which one?
Young Kush, man. Big artist, man.
Where
Check out the dog, man.
Where say man name again?
One Young Kush, man, you know.
Yeah, man. Shout out yourself, man. Ever blessed travels.
One bad cash, man. You can record. On YouTube and TikTok. And YouTube.
Eh?
On YouTube.
Ever blessed?
YouTube, big up. My YouTube, I want Young Kush same way, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I believe, bro.
Yeah, man. Ever blessed travels. See that. You're artist, though.
Sir.
What you do? You just drink soup?
Yeah.
What you do?
Yeah, I said that.
What you do?
My house line the street, man.
Your house on the street?
Yeah, man.
Me not ask you what you do. You're sunrise. Are you daddy for the boss? Alright, that's and you said that a code? That is it?
Yes, sir.
And on top of that say one love.
Yes, man, all the way.
See them people on the river flow. And the next one I said no joke. Yeah, man. That's where you come out. You see liquor, my people. The liquor end up on the river enough. Yeah. And the princess said me, cut your argument. Big up yourself, me queen.
Hi.
Me see you go on yourself in a river a while ago.
Yeah.
Cheese and peace. Me say, actually music I play me. You see that, Big up your page, man. What you have?
Hi.
What kind of page you have?
What kind of page?
You have YouTube, TikTok, what you have?
I have TikTok. My name is Stacey Chromas. You can follow me. Me look cute, panda, like how Mr. Little.
Don't worry yourself about.
I want me not show fat, you know, because I'm not fat.
Yeah.
Maybe me weigh 140.
Where you are fret for that I leave?
Okay, no problem. Hi.
As you are.
Ciao. The battery soon dead, see there?
That's so your thing. That's what you want me to go about my business.
No, for true.
Alright, because of the princess. Yeah, man. We learn how to have fun when we get the chance. So the selector, some people were there.